Right, good evening, and thank you very much for joining me again today. And I'm back with Mr. Albert Matapo. Today we're going to be receiving the Christmas message for 2019 from Mr. Matapo. How are you, sir?
I'm all right, thank you very much. How about you?
Fantastic. Please deliver the message for us.
Thank you very much. Zimbabweans, today is 24 December 2019, and I wish to deliver my Christmas message. Last year I delivered a Christmas message. Those of you who would want to check on it, you can Google for it, you will see it, and I'm sure it is going to inspire you as well. So today I am going to deliver a fresh message for you. Thank you very much. Right, Zimbabwe People Power Movement wishes to guarantee all Zimbabweans that there shall be forgiveness for all those who deserve it. There shall be opportunities for all Zimbabweans, irrespective of color, religion, or political affiliation. There shall be full democracy. There shall be hope and deliverance. Zimbabwe People Power Movement promises to bring unity, cohesion, and good governance during the transitional period. I'm aware that citizens are going through torrid time. No hospitals, no medication, no treatments, no teachers, no jobs, no water to drink or to bath or whatever, no money, no food, no Christmas. We will deliver happiness, peace, and harmony to all Zimbabweans, regardless of race, tribe, social status, and so on. The premise of Zimbabwe People Power Movement, as I mentioned earlier on, is the doctrine of lesser magistrate, which states that every authority is God-given, and thus they have a duty to govern in accordance with God's rule. Is ZANU-PF rule in line with God's commands? That is ensuring the respect for natural rights that guarantee us of life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Do we have any happiness? Do we have any liberty? Do we have any life? Zimbabwe's rule is totally opposed or contrary to what God wants. Therefore, our only sacred duty is to disobey and actively resist such illegitimate rule. We should throw off such a government without hesitation or delay. Zimbabweans are a peace-loving people. We will use peaceful legal means to ensure that we do away with this regime. ZANU-PF has now stretched us too far. We cannot take this any further as we are suffering during this festive season. The people of Zimbabwe are suffering during this world festive season. Enough is enough. With unity of purpose, we will get there. I am reliably informed that so many people are facing so many difficulties. They are facing challenges across Zimbabwe, and I can see that there is no hope. People do not have any hopes of they cannot see light at the end of the tunnel. But here is hope from Zimbabwe People Power Movement. It cannot be by any means other than removing ZANU-PF or removing power from ZANU-PF. And we will do it no matter what intimidation, no matter what frustrations, no matter what lies they make. But we will deliver this. We have got to deliver. We have got to ensure that the people of Zimbabwe live a better life once again. So we will make it. We can assure you this, that the time is now. we will come to a point when we are going to give a signal. This is not yet the signal. The signal is coming and we will give it. Do not worry about the intimidation that is going on around. Do not worry about whatever pressure that we are getting and whatever the lies. We will still make it. Without that, we will do what is right. I mean, we have got to do what is right for the people of Zimbabwe. ZANU-PF has no consent of being our leaders or to remain in power in Zimbabwe. They dismally lost in the 2018 elections in July to President Nelson Chamisa of MDC. But Mnangagwa and his team imposed themselves on us. We will not accept to submit ourselves to Mnangagwa and ZANU-PF. We will not accept what they want to remain in power forever, even without our consent. We should stop living in fear of the ZANU-PF monsters. We should prepare to face the tyranny at any given time. God is with us. Yes, we may suffer this festive season, but it should be a moment that all of us should be talking about Zimbabwe People Power Movement. It is Masimba Kuvanu, Vana Vevu. This is time to talk about it. You are gathered in your homes. You are gathered in your wherever you are trying to enjoy the Christmas. And it is time that you should be talking about Zimbabwe People Power Movement. Spread this word so that every person, wherever you are, get to know about this. So with these few words, I say that as you enjoy the festive season, the worst in our history, remember to pass the message to your friends, to your relatives, neighbors, and everyone. This is a message for everybody. Do not hesitate to pass this message even to the security sector, to the CIOs, to the soldiers, to the police, to the prison service, to everybody, because it is a message for everybody. You will not enjoy life as long as it is ZANU-PF still in power. And so it is our duty, everybody, it is your duty. If you want to have a good salary, if you want to have a good pension, if you want your relatives to go to the hospitals and be treated, find drugs and everything, you have to join Zimbabwe People Power Movement. It is the time that we should make it. And so I thank you all for being attentive to listen to my message. I hope 2020 will be a good year for us, and I hope that ZANU-PF will be history by 2020. And so with this, I leave it unto you to move on and pass my number to all people that would want to talk to me. My number is +46 72 313 5819, and it will be displayed also on this video so that everybody can see it and be able to communicate with me. Thank you very much, Zimbabweans. I love you so much, and hopefully you will fight for yourselves, and we are there to make sure that you don't get attacked by ZANU-PF. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much, Mr. Albert Matapo. And if you get this message on WhatsApp, please send it to as many people as possible. We know many people are traveling, many people are in the rural areas. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.